This is the Plaud Note Pro. It's basically a dedicated AI note taker for people who spend half their lives in meetings. And yes, sadly, I am one of those. Now, I've been using the Plaud Note Pin for a few months. I bought it myself and I pay for the subscription because it saves me a ridiculous amount of time at events and meetings. How does it work? Well, Plaud records the audio around you, pushes it to your phone, and then transcribes and summarizes it for you. There's a limited free tier, but the subscription is what lets you chew through a lot of recordings, which is what I need. And sure, your phone can do this, apps easily do this, but I wanted a separate device so I'm not dealing with battery drain or messages or, like a quick call interrupting me. Compared to the Note Pin, the Note Pro doubles the microphones to 4 and bumps the recording capacity from 20 to 30 hours. I didn't really need the mic upgrades, my Note Pin already picks up the audio just fine, but the battery upgrade, that one matters. I've had a couple of moments where the Note Pin was running low and that's not an ideal mid-meeting setting. My favorite feature is the physical button, because with the Note Pin, I've had multiple times where starting a recording felt weirdly annoying. On the Note Pro, simply long press and you can feel the click. Recording starts, long press again, and it stops. And you can even mark moments you want to come back to later by a quick button press. Now, the non-Pro version of the Note can do this as well, but the Pro adds an OLED screen as well, so you can actually see the recording status. I do wish the indicator was red though. Like, make it obvious please. What I still don't like is the proprietary charging connector. I get it, it's a thin device and Type-C could be hard to fit, but if the case had wireless charging, that would have saved me, because if you travel and forget this cable, you're back to using your phone. And yes, I've done that. I've suffered. The Plaud app recently got a makeover and it looks really polished now. But here's what I want next. I want Plaud to be my default note-taking system. Let it record my Zoom and Google Meets on desktop. Let me write text notes on the mobile app. Just one brain dump. That's the dream. Plaud is still evolving as a company and it's fairly new, so who knows where this goes. But as a dedicated AI note-taking device, I genuinely like what Plaud is doing here. It really helps if you live in meetings.